Welcome to the in front of me OnePlus Nord CE, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and after that here on the top bar you should find somewhere here the screen recorder icon. In my case it's here, that's the last icon here, and just to launch the screen recorder settings, hold for a while the screen recorder icon here, and just to change the sound settings click to the audio source, and now we have here no audio, and then after that we can switch. So now when we'll record our device screen, we just didn't use any audio sounds, the system settings or the microphone, but we can switch it here to the internal audio, and also we can switch it to the microphone audio. So if you want to comment something on your screen recording, you can use the microphone here, but if you want to use the system sound, you should switch it here to the internal audio. But if you want to just record the mood screen record, you should switch it to the no audio, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.